That's why a film like Bahubali showed us this, that power is there, that star. Prabhas today is Prabhas star hai ya nahi hai? Massive love for him. There's incredible love for him.
Prabhas is a wonderful actor. I saw Bahubali, the first one. Unfortunately, the second one I have not seen yet. Rajamouli sir is a wonderful director. He's a wonderful narrator. He takes you into a totally different world and he, mesmerizes you completely. So he's a very, very amazing storyteller and narrator. And Prabhas has really beautifully played that role. It's really wonderful. And the kind of success the film has got. Even in Hindi, the dubbed version has done more than Dangal.
They have been accepted there. Now Prabhas came with Bahubali. So all these films have been very big hits there. So
I like Prabhas a lot.
Okay.
In fact, I liked his film Mirchi.
Okay.
And I was totally bowled over by this film, Sonakshi. There's a film called Mirchi that Prabhas did, was absolutely fantastic. And he's in Bahubali.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I wanted to, so I spoke to him and he's such a wonderful, lovely boy. So I think if it's made in Telugu, I'd want someone.
You?
Yeah, I mean.
You're missing your friend.
And Prabhas has been seeing this trailer and all. He felt so great
really
about
happy. I was so happy when he called me.
Yes.
And I felt so excited that I got a call from somebody. I mean, I loved him in Bahubali and I love him as an actor and he's such a big star and it was very, very kind of him to call me and also he's closer to the world of Arjun Reddy and so it was so nice to hear that he thought that it was good.
Nice. Did you saw the Saho in trailer?
Of course, I'm really looking forward to the film.
And Prabhas has been seeing this trailer and all. He felt so great
really
about
happy. I was so happy when he called me.
Yes.
And I felt so excited that I got a call from somebody. I mean, I loved him in Bahubali and I love him as an actor and he's such a big star and it was very, very kind of him to call me and also he's closer to the world of Arjun Reddy and so it was so nice to hear that he thought that it was good.
Nice. Did you saw the Saho in trailer?
Of course, I'm really looking forward to the film.
Yeah, the trailer looks amazing. You've got compliments from everywhere. We got to know that Prabhas even called and had a word with you and praised it. So, थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे क्या कहा उन्होंने?
No, actually, me and Prabhas, we get our hair cut from Alim, and Alim was with him, and I think the teaser had just come out. And Alim called me. I actually missed a couple of his calls, and then I've called him back. So he said that I'm with Prabhas, and I'm giving him a haircut, and he wants to speak to you. And then he spoke to me, and he was very kind. He said that he really, really enjoyed the trailer, and he was happy to see that it's it has fresh energy, and it's not looking like a copy paste of the original. And yeah, I was super happy. I mean, it made my day because I loved to see him on screen, and it was very kind of him to reach out like that and appreciate the film. Also, he is closer to the world that Sandeep has been from. So to get acceptance from somebody like him.
I spoke to Prabhas and he was very kind. Actually, him and me share a hairstylist. Alim मेरे भी बाल बनाते हैं और उनके भी बनाते हैं. And वो उनके साथ ही थे तो कबीर सिंह की ट्रेलर की बात चल रही थी तो he called and wanted to speak to me and he was very, very kind. I was very overwhelmed because he is such a big star and he is Mahendra Bahubali for us forever and always. So it was really cool to hear such a nice.
Rajamouli Garu also I've met on occasion. Prabhas I'm a big fan of.
But also Prabhas, I have a soft corner.
Few things about Bahubali. First of all, I loved it. I was blown away by the visual effects and the action in it. Bahubali, I think people have always been accepting of period dramas. They've been very kind to period dramas. I think they lend it to what our audiences like traditionally. A lot of color, a lot of splendor, a lot of music, a lot of grandeur.
Place. Like for an example of Bahubali, now if we make a film like Bahubali, it will be herd mentality. Yeah. But the fact is that Rajamouli, he thought of this idea, he believed it, he had conviction, he had the plots, he had a story, he made it for an audience, for a large audience, and it was accepted. But it was accepted because it came from a very original place. It wasn't an offshoot of something, it wasn't inspired by some Hollywood film and all of that. It seemed original, it seemed entertaining, it seemed big, it seemed larger than life, and it touched so many people. I mean, look what it's done, So, like I said, you can't plan this, there's no formula for it.
कैरेक्टर को बनाया. तो फेवरेट एक्टर कौन रहा आपका पूरी मूवी में देखा जाए तो?
ऑफ कोर्स मैं वही रहे प्रभास ही. हाँ
और सर आप
अब प्रभास सर, बाहुबली।
क्या कहेंगे सर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हम्बल पर्सन तो जाने ही जाते हैं, डार्लिंग भी है सभी के। पर्सनली आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है, उनके साथ आपने काम किया, हमने तो बड़े पर्दे पर सीन में देखा है, क्लब में देखा आपको, सीलिंग पर देखा आपको, क्या कहेंगे उनके साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस?
वेल, मैं बस इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि जो उन्हें एक टैग मिला है डार्लिंग का, उस टैग के सही हकदार हैं, क्योंकि वाकई में बहुत बड़े डार्लिंग हैं। एक वाक़यात मैं आपको सुना दूँ, हम लोग अबू धाबी में शूटिंग कर रहे थे एक्शन सीक्वेंस के लिए। सेकंड हाफ का एक चेस सीक्वेंस था, और चेस होने से पहले बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशंस हो रही थी
जी।
तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला उन्हें ये बताने का कि मेरी बीवी जो है उस समय नुरवी के साथ एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी नुरवी को, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला। मगर जैसे ही एक हफ्ते भर बाद जब काम शुरू हो गया और थोड़ा मौका मिला, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि नुरवी के साथ मेरी बीवी जो है वो प्रेग्नेंट है। तो इतना खुश हुए उन्होंने, आकर खुद पर्सनली आकर रुक्मणी से मुलाकात की, उन्हें ढेर सारी तोहफे दिए, इतनी। और हर दिन एक बार वो फ़ोन करके, हर दिन वो एक बार फ़ोन करके पूछते कि कैसी है, सब सही है, नथिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम्स। तो मैं ये पूरा जो है इतनी इज्जत पूरी ही प्रोडक्शन टीम को मैं ज़रूर शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि मुझे इतने एक इज्जत से उन्होंने इस फिल्म में एक हिस्सा बनाया।
वाकई वो डार्लिंग है।
Irfan, Bahubali has got such a huge response. What do you want to say about it? And how you look Indian cinema nowadays?
It's changing and audience is getting mature. और सबको एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए, अच्छी ऑडियंस है हमारे यहाँ की। थोड़ा भी कुछ अच्छा होता है तो बिल्कुल भरपूर जो है वो आपको रिजल्ट देती है उसके। और हिंदी सिनेमा को थोड़ा उठना पड़ेगा, तो इधर से हॉलीवुड खा रहा है, उधर से रीजनल सिनेमा स्ट्रांग हो रहा है। तो हिंदी सिनेमा में सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं अभी, और ऑडियंस को वापस लाना ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो कंटेंट ज़रूरी है।
1800 करोड़ के आसपास है, 1000 करोड़ तो बहुत दूर की बात है। आई थिंक बाहुबली और साउथ की फिल्में, रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस की फिल्में अगर देखोगे, it touches your soul. The minute it touches your soul, a film works. बाहुबली एक रिवेंज स्टोरी है, प्रेजेंटेशन एंड इट टचेस द सोल, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। और वो सोल जब एक फिल्म से निकलता है या वो जब टच करता है तो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप इट। और अगर मास हो तो आप छोटे सेंटर्स में लोग रिपीट बार बार फिल्म देखते हैं। तो आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन।
देख लो, वेरी बिग बजट रिसर्च टीम। Okay.
Hey, I want to ask a question to Prabhas. You watch Hindi films?
Yeah, I do.
So which is your favorite Hindi film of all time?
Yeah, many films. Sholay, Dangal. Yeah, a lot of films.
And favorite actor in Bollywood?
Yeah, I like Shah Rukh and Salman.
And actresses, heroines?
Deepika, Alia, Katrina.
He's very Julius now.